Up till now, we discussed about circular motion. While discussing circular motion, we assume the heavy or larger bodies even to be a point mass. So when we talk about circular motion of entire body, we have assumed body to be a single point, a point mass. Suppose you assume body to be rigid one and made up of large number of particles. I am talking about the details of the body. The body under consideration while dealing with circular motion, we have assumed to be a point mass, to be a single point. But actually, body consists of large number of particles. If distance between the particles do not change, even under action of external force, the body we have to assume to be rigid one. So in rigid body, number of particles are present, and when body is in circular motion, all these particles also are set in circular motions in different circles of different radii. But what is common? The line of reference along which each and every particle of the body is circulating is common. While earth revolving round the sun, we assume axis passing through sun, not lying within the earth. अर्थ मध्ये ॲक्सिस नाही आहे. जेव्हा ती सन भोवती रिव्हॉल्व होतीये तेव्हा ॲक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन लाईज आउटसाइड द अर्थ, and each and every particle of the earth is tracing a circular path of given fixed radius. But if suppose axis passes through earth and we let the earth to spin around this axis passing through that body itself, what will happen? अर्थचं रिव्हॉल्युशन आपण सन भोवती म्हटलं की ती झाली सर्क्युलर मोशन. दॅट टाइम अर्थ यू हॅव टू कन्सिडर्ड ॲज अ सिंगल पार्टिकल. बट वेन यू थिंक अर्थ टू बी मेड अप ऑफ नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, and if I let that earth to be a rigid body spinning about the axis passing through itself within it, what will happen? काय होईल सांगा रे? ती मोशन सर्क्युलर म्हणता येईल का? मग त्याला तुम्ही काय नाव द्या, दुसरं काय नाव देता? स्पिनिंग मोशन किंवा काय घेता? रोटेशनल मोशन. So difference between circular motion and rotational motion, major difference in circular motion, when body circulates, axis of rotation does not lie within it. In rotational motion, axis of rotation lies within the body. You are then say body rotates about its own axis of rotation. त्याला रोटेशनल मोशन म्हणतात. हा त्यातला मेजर डिफरन्स आहे. सो इन सेकंड हाफ ऑफ चॅप्टर नंबर 1 वी विल डील विथ रोटेशनल मोशन. राइट डाउन. डिफाइन रोटेशनल मोशन. Define rotational motion. What is necessary? What is required to set the body? What is required to set the body in rotational motion? What is required to set the body in rotational motion? In rotational motion. Answer लिहून घ्या. Each particle of the body executes